Hey pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we're going to talk about the Nikon Nikkor Z 50mm f1.2s. After all the other lenses we talk about all the time, it just feels like there should be more letters on the end of it, like a DIFELX or something, but no, just an S on the end. S because that is the designation that Nikon gives to their top-of-the-line lenses, so whether it's this, the 85 1.2, the Trinity of the 14-24, 24-70, 70-200, they're all S lenses because they put their top-of-the-line glass into making these. So what separates this lens from the other 50mm S line that we have, which is the 50mm f1.8? Well, as fantastic a lens as that is, this one is fantasticer. There are two main differences between this 50mm and the other 50mm that we have, which is the 1.8S. So again, top of the line, amazing quality optics in that lens. At 1.2, this lens is going to open up a lot more, allowing a lot more light through it onto the sensor, allowing you to create much brighter images without having to adjust the other aspects of the exposure triangle. That comes with the artistic effects of having a shallower depth of field, i.e. more background separation between your subject and the background, which also means more bokeh. This has a 9 rounded bladed aperture in it, so those bokeh balls are going to be super pleasant to look at, wide open, especially if you get a good bit of separation between your subject and whatever that light source is that's creating those nice little bokeh balls. The other main difference between this and the 51.8S, which is less apparent unless you have them side by side or you have a good familiarity with both of the lenses, is this is a lot bigger and heavier, but that is to be expected when you have a lens that opens up to 1.2 over a lens that opens up to 1.8. All of that combines the S line with their top of the line glass and engineering, the 1.2 aperture, into a lens that creates stunning images, whether you're using it for photos or videos. You are not going to be disappointed on this lens. Nikon have really done themselves proud with this one. So there you have it, the Nikon Nikkor Z 50mm f1.2S is available right now on our website, thelenspal.com, where we do rentals from 2 days all the way up to 90 days. And if you've found this video helpful or informative, if you'd just like to see me holding lenses, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, smash a bell, and whatever it is that Nikon's social media team is saying this week. And until next time, we'll see you soon.